If you were to guess, how many square kilometers of forest would you say we clear every day? $323.7. That's the size of Malta. Over a month, 2.5 times the size of Goa. Over a year, 118,077 square kilometers. Belgium, the Netherlands, and Denmark combined. But the craziest thing about deforestation? It's not even the alarming rate at which it takes place. It's the things it affects. There's an image of deforestation, right? It takes place to supply us with paper, and as we move to electronics, it's reducing every day. And sure, paper contributes to deforestation. But it's not the only thing, and it's definitely not the worst. Deforestation for forestry takes place at a rate of 3.6 square kilometers per hour. Wildfires engulf over half a square kilometer per second. And the biggest cause of deforestation worldwide? Agriculture. Agriculture drives more than 70% of deforestation in tropical and subtropical countries. Palm oil, soy, and other commercial agriculture drive at a combined rate of 5 football pitches per minute. Cattle ranching? A rate of 8 football pitches per minute. Over the last 50 years, the Amazon has lost approximately 17% of its forest mass. And that's mostly due to cattle ranching. And this affects everything. In 2019, deforestation contributed to 23% of all global warming and the highest recorded levels of CO2 in human history. This caused heavy and erratic downpours and overflow of drains, which in turn caused flooding. Climate change kills trees, makes them more flammable, and causes wildfires to wreak havoc. The hydrological cycle is affected as trees, which usually evaporate water into the atmosphere, are removed. Rainfall becomes scattered and turns into heavy storms and flooding. Where roots no longer hold the ground, hilly areas suffer from landslides. Most troublingly, it leaves wildlife with no place to go as their habitat is destroyed. Over the last 60 years, wildlife has been reduced by 60%. Out of 1 trillion total species on Earth, around 21% are now at critical risk of extinction. If we keep going at the rate we are, we will run out of forest in a century. Long before that, though, the floods, wildfire, and mass extinction will have caught up to us. The question isn't what we'll do when we run out of forest, but what will happen before we reach that point.